Hi. So is my skin looking all fresh and plump? Well, that's just because I've just done one of my weekly deep clarifying, detoxifying, stripping back facials. All moisturised. It feels like baby balm. It's plumped my lips, and my skin is firmer and tighter and feeling on point. So if you want to see what I did, stay tuned. And if you want to give this video a little thumbs up and pop a comment below, click on the subscribe button, share it, all the stuff that other YouTubers say, that'd be awesome. Because I love that you watch them and I love that you like them, and I love the suggestions because somebody suggested that or requested this, and if you request it, I will endeavour to do it. Happy pampering. Hi, how you doing? Okay, so I have been requested to do more of an updated skincare regime, and since I've been using some new products for the past 6 months or so, I thought I would share with you what I do probably once a week, certainly no more than that. This is my deep strip it back. So I like to have a nice soak in the bath and let the steam open up my pores and ready myself for this. And I've left a conditioning mask on my hair because obviously if I heat style it, I need to look after it. The product I used was it is the Joico Defy Damage. This is the heat protector that I used before I style, but it's the Defy Damage range, and I've just put the mask on my hair. I'm just gonna let it, because I'm going to be putting a mask on my skin. But I just want to share with you some of the things I do to make my skin not look like it's 40 years old. Okay, so I have already I washed my face using the Herbalife Aloe cleansing gel, and the thing is I decanted it into this so I could travel around with it, and I've now lost the bottle to show you, but the Herbalife brand looks like that. But I use the Soothing Aloe Cleanser. Normally I use the Polishing Citrus Cleanser because it's a bit more of a scrub, but it's very gentle. But because I'm doing a very strong one today, I just wanted a soothing cleanser, and I should show you for why, because I'm going to take off a good layer of skin. Hold on, a lot of water here and some towels ready, always prepared. My new regime, well, not new, the one that I've been using for the past 6 months, and it seems to be working because I've been getting so many compliments on my skin. So I'm going with that. Okay, first up, I get really chapped lips. And I'm terrible. But if I catch a hanger, I pull on it and I bite. So, MAC lip scrub. It's awesome. And you just need, I kind of scrape it up with the upper, because if you scrape it like that, it's going to go under my fingernail. So, and I'm OCD about putting things back. Sorry. So, using a very small amount, I'm going to scrub by it. I always find that I get like really rough skin under here too, so I'm going to scrub that too. Okay, what I want to say about the lip scrub, is it me, or does my lips suddenly look, hi there? They feel really plump. So it boosts, not only does it get rid of the skin cells and their kind of tug so you don't bite on them, chew on them, which I have been doing today, which is why I knew I needed to do this. It gets rid of it brings all the blood and boosts the circulation to my lips. So it just plumps them. Now next I'm going to be using, so like I have said in my other tutorials, I use a mixture of Herbalife skincare and bits and bobs of other things as well. I will go through them. But I've been using the Ordinary for about 6 months. I've been using Herbalife for a couple of years. But I happened to run the Ordinary about 6 months ago. I actually just started using their hyaluronic acid and then was like, oh wow, this stuff is great and it's not expensive. This is the direct acids, AHA 30%, BHA 2%, 10-minute exfoliating facial, and it's got a pH of 3.6. So it is technically an acid peel, although it's not with the pH level. I mean, my hands are too slippery, I can't open the bottle. Got it open. When I first, okay, so it's got like a little pipette thing. Don't be scared. It looks like blood. It's really low viscosity. It is the texture of blood. It looks like blood. I promise it isn't blood. It's not like I'm doing any sort of like weird bathing in goat's blood stuff. You saw it come from the bottle. You just want to put a thin layer. I don't want to wipe that away. I don't want it up by my eye. Don't need very much of this on. It's weird, like when I first used it, because you think of face mask and you think of like lathering on all this stuff and top because it goes all stiff and dry. Well, this doesn't do that. Alexa, set 10-minute timer.
10 minutes, starting now.
Thanks, Alexa. And whilst that's on, I'm going to take my Pixie DetoxifEYE eye patches. These are wicked. These are lovely. Just want to moisturise my under eyes. I'm going to take 2 of these bad boys. These little green commas. Right in the corner. If you are wearing makeup a lot or doing lots of makeup tutorials like I am doing at the moment to keep me sane, then obviously you need to be looking after your skin. Otherwise you'll be getting breakouts. This is I mentioned in one of my tutorials that I did a facial that got rid of a zit like literally instantaneously. This is it. So this is me. I'm just going to chill for 10 minutes and I'll be back with you and just to go through the rest of it. Off. I've taken off the eye patches, obviously thrown them away and rinsed with just lukewarm water the peeling solution off. I'm already feeling so fresh, but wait, there's more. The mask on my hair starting to go crunchy. Okay, so hyaluronic acid. Hyaluronic acid is present in the skin, in youthful skin, and it's what makes your skin look all plump and lovely, and it's actually what they use for fillers. They use hyaluronic acid. It's 2%. Better give it a shake up. Now, normally I just use a wee bit, a few drops, but I'm going to be a bit more generous with this one. You get through. This is a brand new bottle ish. I'm going to put quite a bit on everywhere. I'm going to tell you for why. CJ, you've got to put it back in the box. I'm sorry. I'm going to use one of these rollers. Oh, it's not a roller. It just... I'll be honest, when I first saw these on the market, I was like, yeah, that's gimmicky. What's that going to do? And then I bought one because I don't know what came over me, and then I used it, and oh my goodness me, wow. Not only does it kind of push the product into your skin, I mean, just kind of using it in upwards movements, it really makes my face feel lifted. Don't go right under my under eye area. Can you see how red my skin's going? Look at that circulation boost. Great, anything. So, let me explain something. I'm drying out a little bit there. Some product. When your hair, you know when you're poorly and your skin goes a little bit meh, and your hair goes a bit meh, and your nails start breaking, it's all the same stuff. Hair, skin and nails, and it's all kind of all made out of the same stuff. You have keratin. It's all made out of keratin, which is a protein. Now, I'm just going to light that a little bit. When you are unwell, or you are not nourishing yourself, your skin and your hair and your nails, your body sees as the least most important thing for any sort of nutrients on your body, because obviously nutrients are going to go to vital organs to keep, like heart, lungs, liver and whatnot. So, you know, when your hair goes a little bit meh, yuck, or your skin goes a bit yuck, it's a surefire sign that you really need to kind of check your diet and have a bit of TLC. And that's why I would say, like, one of the foundation of healthy skin is water and diet. Okay, I'm just going to rub the rest of that in because it's starting to dry. No, well, not dry, it's totally sunk into my skin now. Yes, so boosting the blood flow to that area by scalp massage. When you go to the hairdresser, they give a gorgeous scalp massage. It's not just because, you don't just do it because you like it. We do it because it boosts the blood flow to the capillaries, which stimulates hair growth. But it also stimulates nourishment and healthy hair. So a little FYI. Now, normally I would use my Ordinary Argiline solution 10%, targeting the appearance of fine lines, but for my deep one, I'm going to use my Herbalife Line Minimizing Serum. Now, the thing I like about the Herbalife is that they have numbers on there. So 1 would be facial wash, 2 would be your toner, 3 is your serum, 4 is your eye gel, 5 is your night cream. It's just like you 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's so easy. Line minimizing serum. Go away, lines. Go away. I don't want to look like I'm 40. Well, I'm not 40 yet. But it is but days away. But days. Okay. That was my line Minimising Serum. Number 4, Eye Firming Gel. Tiniest of bits. Okay, now obviously I massaged, you could see I massaged my face. I can't do that with my under eye. You mustn't do that with your under eye because it's delicate. So this is called petrissage. Just drumming your fingers, also gently. Again, stimulating the blood flow to that area, getting all the nutrients up there, plumping it, firming it, getting collagen going, and all that wonderful. Oh my God, that feels so good. And last but not least, Replenishing Night Cream. I use this one every night. No, I don't need much of this. So, I'm done. Thank you so much for watching my videos. If you've got any suggestions or comments or anything like that, pop it in the comments below. I'm going to list the products that I used today on my skin, just to give it that weekly bit of TLC. And now I'm going to do the second part, most important thing for good skin. Go to bed. Drink water and go to bed. Not at the same time, obviously. That'd be very difficult. Thanks for watching.